All right, folks, buckle up and prepare to dive into the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that's been around since before your grandma's grandma was born. And guess what? It's all about keeping your cool when life throws its inevitable curveballs at you. So, what exactly is Stoicism? Imagine if you could train your mind like a Jedi Master, staying calm and collected no matter what. Stoicism teaches us to distinguish between what's in our control and what's not. For example, you can't control the weather, but you can control whether or not you bring an umbrella. Simple, innit? Now meet our old pals, Seneca, Epictetus and Marcus Aurelius. They're like the Avengers of ancient philosophy, but without the capes and CGI. These chaps believed in focusing on what we can change, our thoughts, actions and attitudes, and letting go of everything else. Life's challenges? Pfft. They saw them as opportunities to grow stronger and wiser. Like when you're stuck in traffic, instead of fuming, practice patience. When your mate eats the last slice of pizza, embrace a bit of gratitude for the slice you did get. It's like having a superpower, except you don't need a fancy costume. Stoicism isn't about being emotionless, far from it. It's about feeling deeply, but not letting those feelings control you. Think of it as emotional kung fu. So next time life decides to give you lemons, remember the Stoic way. Make lemonade, sip it slowly, and laugh at the absurdity of it all. Because, my dear viewer, in the grand scheme of things, we're all just trying to find a little peace and happiness in this chaotic world. Stay calm and stoic on.